Hi, Dr. Saxena here, and we'll be talking about something on what exactly is this word autism and how you can pick up this autism early. I mean to say, when we try to look into this particular stuff of is there are there any things where we can find out is your child at risk for autism, because what happens is we need to pick up early, and if we can pick up early, things are better. So from an integrative perspective, when we talk about autism protocol and all that, the screening also is quite important. Is your child at risk for autism? You need to look at these bullet points. Does your 18-month child language development seem slow? Number one. Has he lost words that has once started, once he mastered? Had he lost that? Is he unable to follow a simple commands such as bring me the shoes, or when you speak to him, he look away rather than meet your gaze? You need to see that he has a eye contact properly. So if he doesn't have a eye contact, you need to think of this. Does he answer his name? You need to ask his name, whether he's look. Do you or any other in the family suspect he has hearing loss? Does he or she has unusually long attention span? Sometimes they have short attention span, some people have got very long attention. Does he seem to be in his own world? The normal we have this particular thing at 18 months old child will typically do the following, and he points to objects, he interacts with his siblings, and he brings you items to look at, looks directly to you when you are speaking to him. Follow your gaze to locate an object. When you point across the room, if I'm showing him that particular thing, he tries to follow the gaze and he looks at that. If I'm telling him, see the board. So engage in the pretend play, such as feeding a doll or making a toy dog bark. So see, these are the things which these are the flags. So at 18 months old child, we should do all these things. If he's not doing, you have to think it. I mean, autism is a developmental disability which impairs social and language development. It occurs in families from every class, culture, and ethnic background. It is, I repeat, it is not a mental illness, and it is not caused by trauma. It is a basically a neurobiological disorder, and its symptoms can be greatly reduced by early diagnosis and starting a biomedical kind of work on that. So whatever, like, if you're concerned, you believe there are some answers, some of the above questions, you speak to your doctor or try to reach to any behavioral therapist, or try to get in touch with a integrative physician. That, I think, will help you screen out that particular thing, because of that child at risk of autism. If you pick up that early, things can be done in a major way. Thank you.